something?
Yep.
What?
Help me.
I don't know yet.
Help, I'm trapped.
What's happening, Molly?
Help me, I'm trapped. Oh no, the lava's getting closer. Help, help.
Can I help?
Oh, this is Saoirse. She's my pet seal and she's trapped on a volcano island. And the volcano has erupted and there's lava everywhere. And all the other people have left the island, but Saoirse got left behind all on her own. Help me, I'm trapped.
Somebody'll have to rescue her. Fast.
Finished!
What is it?
It's a, sail ship.
A sail ship? Well, where's the sail?
I haven't made it yet. I'm going to sail around the world in it. Do you want to come?
Okay.
Hey, can I come too?
Sure.
Oh, can Saoirse, my pet seal, come? Oh no, wait a minute. I've got a brilliant idea. Let's rescue Saoirse!
Rescue her? Rescue her from what?
From the volcano island that she's trapped on, because the volcano has erupted
And all the people have left the island.
and Saoirse got left behind all on her own.
Oh, wow. We'd better rescue her then. In my ship. I'm captain.
Oh, I want to be captain.
Oh, so do I.
Well, we can't all be captains.
Why not?
Don't know.
Let's all be captains then. Captain Rossa, go make a sail for the ship.
Aye, aye, Captain. Captain Leodon, can you magic up some storms, please?
Aye, aye, Captain, and rain and thunder and lightning too. Hey, Molly, how's Saoirse?
We'll have you rescued in no time, Saoirse. I hear Shamarone, no be a garden front, long irashly hood. Demi down rivlone, I hear Shamarone, no be a garden front. Help, help, thank you. Help me! Looking good, me captain, lads. Is our sail ready?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Good lad, Captain Rossa. What's in the box?
Food, Captain. You know, for the journey.
Oh, what kind of food have we got?
Bananas and fish fingers.
Oh, yuck. I hate fish fingers, Captain Rossa.
They're not for you. They're for Saoirse in case she's hungry when we've rescued her.
Oh, good idea.
Hey, do you want to see some of my magic?
Yeah!
Watch this.
Wow! Captain Leodon! That's magic!
All aboard!
Okay.
Dun, da, 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 da. 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 I am steering.
Oh, no, you're not. I'm steering.
It's my ship.
Okay, then. You can steer.
All aboard, me captains, and ready to set sail.
Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Now. That's the Volcano Island.
Oh, look! It's erupting right now.
Goodbye, Ireland. Goodbye.
Hold tight, everybody. We're heading into stormy weather.
Whoa, this could be dangerous.
Be brave, me jolly captains.
Oh boy, now the sea is getting really rough. We might all drown. Hold tight, Molly.
Leoton, I'm getting all wet.
You're supposed to get wet, silly. You're in a ship and we're at sea and there's a storm.
Oh, okay then. But hey, wait a minute. You're in the sea. You might drown. Oh, help! I'm ready.
Quick, Molly, throw her a rope.
Aye, aye, Captain. Come on. Hooray!
Thank you both for saving me.
Land ahoy!
Land ahoy?
That means we've reached the island.
Okay, me captains, to the rescue!
Come on.
Help! I'm trapped.
Not anymore. We've come to rescue you.
We better get her off the island fast before it explodes.
Yeah, quick.
Whoa.
Quick. Oh, look.
Whoa.
Look, the island has completely disappeared under the sea. Saoirse, it looks like we got you off that island just in time.
Come on, Captain. We're ready for home.
Aye, aye, Captain, lead on.
Hey, let's sing a song while we sail home. What shall we do with the rescued Saoirse? What shall we do with the rescued Saoirse? What shall we do with the rescued Saoirse? Feed her with fish fingers. Way ho, up she rises. Hey ho, up she rises. Hey ho, up she rises. Sailing home to Ireland. Do you want to come for a swim, Saoirse?
No thanks. I hate water.
What? I thought seals lived in the sea.
They do, but I'm not a real seal. I'm just a cuddly toy.
Oh, yeah? But hey, that's okay, because that's not real sea either.
Oh, well, here goes. Splash!
Come on, Rosa.
Me too. And splash!
Good.
Goodbye.